Now, after installation of Delphi, you may open some of the programs that you already had prior to the installation and get such an error, the DBX error, that tells you that driver could not be properly initialized and client library may be missing. So what you need to do basically is to download the right version of Microsoft SQL native client. Now guys, these are the few files that will save your life. Now I have the 64-bit version over here. These ones here, the 32-bit version. So my laptop is a 64-bit, and I will go into this with the two DLL files and the executable files over here. So what you need to do is you can install these two in any order. There's no big issue over that. So I will execute this. Now I have already installed this, and for that reason it gives me the modification. Otherwise I could just do repair so that we go together through the procedures, but the new installation will bring you to this dialog box. It will go straight to you selecting what you want to install, and then you install all the apps. It's basically a next dialog box. Nothing really. You just need to select that you install all the components, and when you install, that will go through, and while finished it will ask you to restart your PC, and I will not do that because I have a second one to install. After installing the second one, then I'll be able to restart my PC. And so just before I restart my PC, I need to copy these two files and put them in the system32 folder, which we shall do together. I already have them installed, I already have them copied, but I shall take you through the process. Now this is complete. Just click on the finish button, and like I said, it asks us for a restart of our system, which I'll say no to so that I can restart this afterwards. I need to install this first, so I'll do the same thing. Like I said, I already installed it, and it will just ask me to modify or repair. Otherwise, if you haven't, you just go to the next. It's like I said, it's a next dialog box. Just go next and click install, and that shall install, and click on finish. And after that is complete, get these two files, the two DLL files, copy them and put them in your system32 folder in the Windows and system32 folder over here, where you have all your files and your DLL files and all that. So I'll just paste it over here. It will tell me that basically I just need to overwrite because I already have it. I already have the files, so I'll just overwrite all, or I can decide to skip because I already have the files in. So I'll just overwrite and have the two files installed, and that should work the magic. Now the next thing I need to do simply is to restart my PC. Right guys, now after I restart of my PC, I have just opened my application over here. So I'll just minimize that and get my particular connection file just for us to do the test. And yeah, so from here I need my connection file, which should be somewhere here. Okay, there it is. Now I get my SQL connection file here and work on my driver. That's my server name. I need to change that, and just to let you understand what I have. Now take note that I'm running on SQL Server 2012, and I had already installed the SQL Server 2012 native client, and it didn't work. It didn't solve the problem. So at this moment, I'll just put my details in my application over here. For the server, the host name changes to that for this particular scenario. I'll just get this copied up. Excuse me. And have it over there, and I'll change the name of this database to something like, I think I have one called PMS. and I'll fill the and 32. Right. So at this moment, if I try to connect, I should be able, there you go. I should be able to connect to my database. My connection is true over there. Now that solved the problem that we have. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was very useful to you. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.